Look at these maps and place and imagine you are somewhere in a place and someone happens to come across you and they ask you the way to go somewhere. Then how will you give them direction? Yes, in today's class we'll discuss about how to give the directions to someone. So let us begin the class. While giving direction, basic cardinal direction should be used, such as north, south, east, west. Similarly, inter-cardinal directions such as northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest should be used to tell which direction should be taken. While giving the directions, the key terms such as left, right, in front of, behind, next to, between, far, near, close, beside, on the left, on the right should be used to tell the direction of a place. Similarly, while giving the directions, movement and action phrases should be used, such as go straight ahead, turn left, turn right, take the first turning, take the second turning, cross the road, walk fast, go towards, go along the road and keep going until you reach, etc. should be used. Similarly, at the corner of, opposite to, near the roundabout, at the end of the road and the preposition of place, on, at, in should be used while giving directions to someone. For clear understanding, I am presenting you an example of the directions of the place, so please have a look and see you on next video.